Assalamu alaikum, and how are you guys? And I'm fine. I hope that you will be fine there. Today we have a topic past indefinite. Yesterday, the last time we completed affirmative sentences, and as well as I gave you our definition as well. Today we are starting how to make negative sentences by using past indefinite. Okay, so past indefinite. So we are doing past indefinite in negative sentences, okay? So how to make the negative? अच्छा negative and okay, I'm writing the structure. Structure देख लीजिएगा. Structure of negative. Subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object. It's a formula of negative sentence. Okay. So first of all, we write subject, then did not, and minded. You have to put here first form of the verb, then object. Okay. Or in case of doing affirmative sentences, we used to use second form of the verb. But right now, when we are putting did not, so in that situation, in that condition, actually we convert second form into first form of the verb. So that is why now we are using subject plus did not plus first form of the verb then object. It's a formula of negative sentences. तो यहाँ पर did not के साथ verb की first form लगेगी. अक्सर लोग दोबारा second लगा देते हैं, second affirmative पे लगती है और फिर उसके बाद object लेंगे, ये हो गया negative. अब now I am gonna make you understand by giving few examples. कुछ examples देते हुए मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ. And examples number one, I did not talk to you. I did not talk to you. मैंने आपसे बात नहीं की. Number two, we did not wait for you. हमने आपका इंतजार नहीं किया. You did not get up early. तुम जल्दी नहीं उठे. Number four, they did not prepare for the exam. They did not prepare for the exams. उन्होंने इम्तिहान की तैयारी नहीं की. Number five, she did not teach them. She did not teach them. उसने उन्हें नहीं पढ़ाया. And for example, he did not keep birds. He did not keep birds. उसने परिंदे नहीं पाले. Okay, So whatever examples I gave you right now, actually it's a past indefinite. ये example जो मैंने दी ये सारी past indefinite की negative की examples हैं. I hope that कि आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. तो इसी तरीके से today we have a topic. आज का हमारा topic था past indefinite and structure. Subject did not, first form of the verb, then object negative. And I gave you examples. Number one, I did not talk to you. मैंने आपसे बात नहीं की. We did not wait for you. मैंने आपका इंतजार नहीं किया. You did not get up early. आप जल्दी नहीं उठे. They did not prepare for the exams. उन्होंने एग्जाम्स की तैयारी नहीं की. She did not teach them. उसने उन्हें नहीं पढ़ाया. He did not keep birds. उसने परिंदे नहीं पाले. And I hope that you must have got this point. और मेरा ये ख्याल है कि आपको ज़रूर ये वाला पॉइंट और ये वाला टॉपिक जो है समझ में आ गया होगा. So right now I would like to say have a nice time and inshallah ta'ala I will come to you with new topic. See you.